So first I started off by cutting out the template and tracing it onto the foam. And you can just find this template just by searching up gingerbread man template onto Google. And you can make it as big as you want. So next you want to start cutting this out. So here is what it looks like so far, and I ended up cutting it in half because it was a bit too thick. And as you can see, I've already started to round off the shape, so you just want to just make small cuts all the way around the squishy. And you just want to smooth out the top. And you also want to do the same for the other side. So I'm just going to finish that and then I will show you what to do next. So here is what it looks like once I've finished smoothing and rounding off the shape. And I know it's not completely perfect, but I tried my best. And next what you want to do is you want to cut a hole just somewhere along the edge of the squishy for the hair clip to go in, and you want to put some tape around the hair clip so that way it doesn't tear the squishy, and you just want to place it inside the squishy. So just like that. And by the way, you don't have to make it a cracking squishy if you don't want to. You can just leave it as it is. So now we can finally move on to painting it. So next what I did was I mixed some yellow, white and burnt sienna paint together to get a tan colour, and I painted the whole squishy. So now it's up to you how you want to decorate yours. I'm just going to use this image here as reference, but you can just make up your own design, or you can just look for an image on Google. So I'm just going to do that and then I will show you what to do next. So here is what it looks like after I've finished decorating it. And again, like I said, you can do whatever design you want. So now you just want to wait for this to dry and then glue the hair clip inside the squishy, and then it will be done. So here's what the final squishy looks like. And even though it is pretty thin, it is still quite squishy. And yeah, I did kind of mess up on the smile, but I think it still looks really cute. And I also glued in the hair clips so it cracks. And again, it's up to you if you want to make it a cracking squishy. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, please feel free to request more squishy tutorials or Christmas squishy tutorials you would like me to do in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye!